Okay, everyone. Here I want to continue to proceed the explanation about wealth purification from individual perspective. So, wealth purification is compulsory for Muslim people, as stated in the Quran and Hadith. The tool to purify our wealth is known as zakat. So the benefit of paying zakat is not only to purify the Muslim wealth and get Allah's blessing, but also bring better prosperity toward poor and needy people. The philosophy of wealth distribution by giving zakat is not only for consumerism or giving short-term benefit, but also for productivism or long-term benefit. One of the institutions in Indonesia called Dompet Duafa is operated in empowerment activity through philanthropic and prophetic social entrepreneurship. So basically, Dompet Duafa is a platform for Muslim people who wants to give zakat, infak, sodakoh, or charity, wakaf, and also the other general endowment. The thing that I consider why I choose Dompet Duafa is because they have 5 pillars as main program which aim to poverty alleviation as stated in their website, which are: first is education, second economy, third is healthcare, fourth is social and dakwah, the fifth is culture. I prefer to choose Dompet Duafa service as stated in the website because they has several empowerment activities such as farming development, animal husbandry and marine fishery, development of small and medium enterprises, and development of small financial institutions in urban and rural areas. On the other hand, they also consider about how education can improve continuously the economic of the people in the future. So they also involved in various type of education programs in Indonesia called School of Indonesian Teacher and the other programs. And moreover, why I prefer to choose Dompet Duafa as a product that I use in terms of giving my zakat fund is because they have zakat calculator. On the website, we only require to put number of our income or asset that we have, then the calculator will automatically work for us. We also can read the additional information if anything needed to be asked regarding the wealth that we own, especially for type of property itself, how much, and how amount of nisab that we have to achieve. The other question is, the fifth question is wealth distribution from individual perspective. All people need to consider about how they distribute the wealth that they have been accumulating during their lifetime. It is necessary to reduce the risk of any dispute during the family members of heirs in the future regarding allocating our wealth asset. Some people probably thought that it may be expensive and complex exercise to make a will, only to make a will, and the rest maybe think that their properties will automatically transfer to their spouses and children after their death. But the fact shows in 2017 from Ahmad, there are 52 billion ringgit Malaysia outstanding values of the estate owned by majority of Muslims failed to be distributed. And aside from that, in 2011, more than 42 billion ringgit Malaysia of assets were frozen due to failure to trace legal beneficiaries. So if a person decays without a will, then High Court will administer his estate according to Faraid or Distribution Act in 1958. So what is the solution? For Malaysian people, they can consider to having a will using Amanah Raya service, Amanah Raya Berhad service. Making a will is a must to decrease the probability of dispute among our families. or haze in the future. So for Malaysian people, they can consider the service provided by Amanah Raya Berhad. Amanah Raya Berhad was established in 1921 as the Department of Public Trustee and Official Administrator. The core business of Amanah Raya Berhad are will service, trust administration, asset administration, asset management, and so on. So the service covered by Amanah Raya Berhad are both for Muslim and non-Muslim. And there are several advantages if we consider to choose Amanah Raya Berhad to make a will. The first is they have experienced and reputable company. Of course, they have been operated 90 years experience in legacy planning. And second is no conflict of interest. It refers that they are independent. And the third is confidentiality assured. Amanah Raya Berhad practice high level of integrity and confidentiality. The fourth is avoid lengthy process. Fifth is opportunity to specify your personal wishes. And the last advantage is professional consultation. So Amanah Raya Berhad will assist you to plan your wealth distribution according to your wishes and personal laws. So that's all from our explanation. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.